Let's start the last section of ratio and proportion. Some useful results on the basis of ratio and proportion. For example, A upon B equal to C upon D. A upon D equal to C upon D. A upon B equal to C upon D. A upon D equal to C upon D. And A upon B equal to C upon D. Okay, total 5 results are there. When A upon B equal to C upon D, then you can cross alternate. You can change C in denominator of A and D in numerator. You can change. Equal to A upon C equal to B upon D. Got it? C ने नीचे लावी શકીએ, B ने ऊपर લઈ જઈએ, એને કહેવાય alternative change. Hence, this process in ratio and proportion is known as alternando. Alternando. Okay? Alternando. Now A upon D equal to C upon D. So B upon A equal to D upon C. You just inverse B upon A, D upon C. Inverse. It is known as invertendo. What it say? Invertendo. Now A upon D equal to C upon D. So numerator plus denominator. Numerator plus denominator and numerator plus denominator on both the side. Numerator plus denominator and C plus D upon D. Still the result is same. It is known as plus. Means known as a componendo. So kehvaय componendo. Componendo. For example, 1 upon 2 equal to 2 upon 4. The example of cake. Now 1 plus 2 by 2 equal to 2 plus 4 by 4. Numerator plus denominator. Numerator plus denominator. Yani 3 by 2. 4, 5, 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is still 3 by 2. The left and right side, the result is same. Got it? LHS is equal to RHS. The result is same. It is known as a componendo. Numerator plus denominator. Now numerator minus denominator. Numerator minus denominator. C minus D upon D. What I did? A minus D upon D and C minus D upon D. Yani numerator minus denominator. Numerator minus denominator. This is known as dividendo. Dividendo. Now in the same ratio, take componendo as well as dividendo. Half numerator, say numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Sorry, D. Numerator plus denominator, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. And C. Numerator plus denominator and minus denominator is known as a plus, is known as a componendo, and minus is known as a dividendo. So in the same ratio, we have taken the process componendo and dividendo. Okay. Now again revise all the 5 property. Just alter the numerator and denominator is known as alternando. C नीचे B ऊपर, it is known as alternando. Just you invert it. Reciprocal of both the ratios is B upon A, D upon C is known as invertendo. Now just numerator plus denominator. Numerator plus denominator, it is known as a componendo. Now numerator minus denominator, numerator minus denominator, it is known as a dividendo. But in a single ratio, componendo and dividendo both we take together is A plus B and A minus B. But be careful, you have to take numerator plus first in numerator as well as denominator. For example, numerator A છે તો ઉપર પણ A પહેલા આવે, નીચે પણ A જ પહેલા આવે. A plus B and A minus B, C plus D and C, not D minus C. Okay, પહેલા numerator છે તો C જ પહેલા આવશે. It is known as a componendo dividendo. Right? Now the remaining exercise 7C. Is it 7C? Uh, 7C is based on this property of ratio and proportion. Alternando, invertendo, componendo, dividendo and componendo dividendo together. Example number 1. If A upon B equal to C upon D, then prove that 3A minus 5B 3A plus 5B equal to 3C minus 5D 3C plus 5D. Okay. Now smaller to bigger. Usually we apply K method. But when in the question numerator and denominator numbers are exactly same, 3A 5B 3A 5B 3 5 3 5, exactly same the numbers are, numerator and denominator, at that time this method also you can apply. How? Check here. Coefficient of A is 3. Coefficient of A upon B equal to C upon D. Coefficient of A is 3 and coefficient of D is 5. Coefficient C is 3 and D is 5. So, the first of all, A upon B is equal to C upon D and multiply by 3 upon 5 both the sides. Got it? जो मैंने numbers चाहिए थे वो ले ली दूँ मैं. तो 3A upon 5B equal to 3C upon 5D. We can multiply 3 upon 5 both the sides. Then सूझिए 3A minus 5D 3A plus 5D. यानी first of all minus then plus. Then dividendo componendo. Got it? So numerator minus denominator plus denominator. Numerator minus denominator plus denominator. जो ये जो लावानी try करो. पहला numerator minus, first minus, it is known as a applied dividendo and componendo. And first minus and then plus is, hence it is proved this is equal to this, right? It's very easy. Second, if A upon B equal to C upon D, then prove that, you can also prove that by K method, okay? It's not a strict rule, but when numerator and denominator numbers are exactly same, 4A plus 9B, 4C plus 9D equal to 4A minus 9B 4C minus 9D. You have to prove that. Okay. So A upon B equal to C upon D. Multiply by what I want. Coefficient of A is 4 and coefficient of B is 9. C is 4 and D is 9. And multiplying 4 by 9 both the sides. Okay, so what I get? 4A upon 9D, 4C upon 9D. Then plus componendo dividendo, 4A numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Okay, numerator plus denominator minus denominator, componendo and dividendo. You have to write the whole statement. Componendo yani first plus then minus. Then look at your answer. What you have to prove that 4a plus 9b in each 4c plus 9d. Yani this term you want here and 4a minus 9d here. Check in the question that you prove. So 4a plus 9d and नीचे ले आओ and ऊपर. So 4c plus 9d equal to 4a minus 9d, 4c minus 9d. It is known as alternando. Alternando. Hence it is proved. Okay. और k मेथड भी है आसान અને k ले लो a upon b is equal to c upon so a equal to bk and c equal to dk. Now LHS 4a plus 9b 4c plus 9d. तो 4 a equal to bk plus 9 b 4 c equal to dk plus 9 d. D common, nothing is common, and D common only. D common 4k plus 9d. D common 4k plus 9d. અહીંયા b છે, અહીંયા d આવે છે, તો આ કટ ના થાય, રાઈટ? કમ્પલસરી તમારે each method થી જોવું પડે. LHS RHS જોઈએ. 4a minus 9b 4c minus 9d. तो 4a equal to bk, b 4c equal to dk 9d. Only b is common. 4k minus 9, b is common. 4k minus 9, b is common. एक मिनट मिस्टेक है जो b कॉमन 4k minus 9 4k minus 9 common b upon d and this cancel b upon d, hence LHS is equal to RHS on both the side from k method. Also you can also prove यहाँ में b common करो तो ये मैं b रखे तो actually 9 ज बते ना, right? So b upon d k method भी दिखाए. But it is easy and simple. Now from 8a, if 8a minus 5b, 8c minus 5d equal to 8a plus 5b, 8c plus 5d, then prove that a upon b equal to c upon d. A upon b equal to c upon d. Now from bigger to smaller, whether the cross multiplication, and can you imagine this cross multiplication is really too hard. Then try to arrange the term in numerator and denominator same. 8a minus 5b, 8a plus 5b. So numerator and denominator, these are the ab term. So first of all 8a minus 5b, 8a plus 5b, 8c minus 5d, 8c plus 5d. Got it? Numerator and denominator ab, ab, cd, cd term and try to arrange. That is known as alternando. You have to write the whole name. Then when the numerator and denominator exactly the term are same, just there is a difference of sign, then componendo dividendo. Numerator, this is numerator, is a numerator plus denominator and whenever the minus denominator, both the sign will change. Minus 8a minus 5b. Got it? Numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Minus denominator means out. Minus and denominator. But minus sign inside bracket. Minus 8a minus 5b. Minus 8a minus 5b. Same as. Again, numerator. This is numerator. Plus denominator minus denominator. Plus denominator यानी 8c plus 5d. And minus, this both the sign will change. 8c minus 5d. That is componendo and dividendo. 5d, 5d, 8a, 8a cancel. 5d, 5d and 8c, 8c cancel. So 8a and 8a, that is 2 times 8a. And 2 times 5d, 5d, 2 times minus 5d. Okay. 8c, 8c, 2 times 8c. 2 times minus 5d. 2 cancel. So what you have to prove? A upon b is equal to c upon d. Right? So 8a upon minus 5b equal to 8c upon minus 5d. Now 8 and 5, both the sides, if I multiply with minus 5 by 8, multiply with minus 5 by 8 on both the sides, exactly reciprocal. Minus minus cancel, 5 cancel, 8 cancel, right? और कहीं ना खबर पड़े तो बने साइड तो खबर पड़े छे ने minus 8 by 5 c upon d, right? हाँ तो minus minus cancel from both the side, minus minus cancel, this 5 cancel, 8 cancel. So a upon b is equal to c upon d. But you have to show the process. Then what is process? 8 upon minus 5d, 8 upon minus 5d. Then multiply with this exactly opposite sign, minus 5 by 8 and minus 5 by 8 on, multiply with minus 5 by 8 on both the sides. So 8 by 5 cancel. So a upon d equal to c upon d. Hence it is proved. 2 to 3 sum, then it will be really easy. Okay. Now from greater to smaller, componendo dividendo. Okay. Actually આ કેટલું બધું મોટું થાય અને આની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો 8a અને 8c. ચલો ભાઈ આજે આ બતાવવાનું છે. એક્ઝામ નંબર 4, a cube plus 3ab square b cube plus 3ab square. ab square a square b, sorry, a square b is 63 upon 62. Then you have to find a is to b. You have to find a is to b. And this is the formula when componendo dividendo. It is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. How? A cube plus 3ab square is a numerator. Numerator is LHS. This is same as exactly the numerator 2 times. Numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Plus denominator is b cube plus 3a square b minus b cube minus 3a square b. Got it? And 63 is numerator plus denominator minus denominator. And arrange this term. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. How? A cube plus b cube. From this 2 term, 3ab cancel, 3ab common, 3ab common, 3ab common. So a વધે આમાં b વધે. Got it? And this is the formula of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b is 125 upon 1. 63 plus 62 is 125 upon 1. Now this is the formula of a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube is 125 by 1. Hence, a plus b upon a minus b is cube root of 125 upon 1 means the whole cube. Our side take the cube root. So a plus b and a minus b is 5 upon 1. 125 is a cube root of 5. Now again numerator and I want just a and b. The numerator and denominator still same, this just change in size. Again componendo. ये लखवानु componendo and dividendo. Again componendo and dividendo. Numerator plus denominator minus denominator plus denominator plus denominator minus denominator यानी both the sign will change. Plus a minus b minus a plus b. Numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Now b and b cancel, a and a cancel. 2a upon 2b is 6 by 4. 2 cancel. Is a upon b is 3 by 2. Hence, a is to b is 3 is to 2. A is to b is 3 is to 2. Your answer. Number 5. Using componendo and dividendo, find the value of x. Find the value of x using componendo dividendo. 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5 root of 3x plus 4 minus root of 3x minus 5 equal to 9. 9 જ છે પણ આપણે 9 upon 1 કરી દેવાનો. ઓકે, ક્વેશ્ચનમાં 9 છે. Using componendo and dividendo. So, numerator 3x plus 4 plus root of 3x minus 5. This is just numerator. Numerator. It's a numerator. Numerator plus denominator minus denominator is a plus denominator and minus denominator. Plus denominator is root 3x plus 4 minus of root 3x minus 5. Now the minus denominator both the sign will change. So minus 3x plus 4 plus root, here minus से plus 3x minus 5. And same as numerator plus denominator minus denominator, that is componendo and dividendo. Componendo, dividendo. Now root 3x minus 5, root 3x minus 5. Root 3x plus 4, root 3x plus 4 is plus and minus cancel. So root of 3x plus 4 and root of 3x plus 4 yani 2 times root of 3x plus 4. And in the denominator 2 times root of 3x minus 5 is left. 9 plus 1 10 upon 8. 9 plus 1 10, 9 minus 1 is 8. 2 cancel. Is 5 by 4. Right. Now, whenever the root goes on other side, that becomes square. Square goes other side and become root. But root goes other side, it becomes square. आ रूट બીજી જ્યારે સાઈડ જાય તો એનો સ્ક્વેર થાય પણ સ્ક્વેર બીજી સાઈડ જાય તો રૂટ થાય. તો અહીંયા છે root of, because numerator and denominator both root, 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5 is 5 by 4 is left. Now root on other side becomes square. So 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5 is 5 upon 4 the whole square. Root બીજી સાઈડ જાય તો એનો સ્ક્વેર થાય. So 5 square is 25 upon 16, right? 25 upon 16. Again 3x is same, so we can go by cross multiplication method and another be easy, componendo dividendo again, numerator plus denominator minus denominator. खबर पड़े छे साइन केवी रीते હું પૂછું plus means same as it is, but minus then this is minus and that will become plus. Numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Now 3 ne 3 6x minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. 3 cancel. 5 plus 4 is 9. 25 plus 16 41. 25 minus 16 is 9. 9. This 9 and 9 cancel if we bring 9 on other sides. So 6x minus 1 is 41. So 6x is 42. So x is 42 by 6. So x is 7. X is 7. Okay. Using properties of proportion. Using properties of proportion means you cannot use K method. Properties means componendo, dividendo, alternando, that are the properties. Compulsory you have to go through properties whenever it is given in the question. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon 2x square is 17 by 8. Then you have to find x, value of x. चलो, componendo dividendo. X raised to 4 plus 1 is numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Is 17 is the numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Now arrange it. Is x square no square plus 1 square plus 2 into x square into 1. Got it? This is the whole square. X raised to 4 is x square square. 1 formula na 2 square and 1 is 2x square. In short, this is the whole square of x square plus 1 the whole square. Okay? And formula check square no be square, any 4 power is 1 square, and middle term is formula no 2 and x square and 1, that is plus. Is 25 and 9. 25 and 9. Okay, 17 plus 8 is 25. 17 minus 8 is 9. And this is the formula of x square plus 1 the whole square, and x square minus x square minus 1 the whole square is 25 upon 9. Okay. Now the square on other side it become root. So x square plus 1 and x square minus 1 is under root of 25 by 9. Square છે બીજી સાઈડ જાય તો root થાય. So x square plus 1 upon, so it's 25 upon 9 is 5 by 3. Got it? 5 by 3. Now again componendo dividendo, because numerator and denominator just a sign is different. So x square plus 1 is a numerator plus denominator minus denominator, that is x square minus 1, and x square plus 1 is a numerator plus denominator minus denominator. 1 and 1 cancel, x square and x square cancel, that is 2x square upon 2 is 8 upon 2. Now 2 cancel, 2 4s are, so x square equal to 4, so x is equal to plus or minus 2. Square છે બીજી સાઈડ જાય તો રૂટ થાય, એટલે એમાં 2 જ આપેલું છે, I think. હા ના, plus or minus 2. Okay. Using property means componendo, dividendo, all that. you have to show that if x is root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1 upon root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1, then show that x square 2ax plus 1 equal to 0. You have to show that this equal to 0. Okay? Equal to x, अगर तुमने equal to x यहाँ रखो है तो यहाँ भी x रखी दो, because x equal to this equal to x upon 1, right? Don't forget to put 1 on a denominator. Now again componendo dividendo, x plus 1 minus 1, got it? Numerator a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1, root of a plus 1 plus root of a minus 1. It is just numerator, plus denominator minus denominator, plus denominator is root of a plus 1 minus root of a minus 1. Root of a plus 1 is plus minus plus. Change sign because negative is root of a minus 1. Now root of a minus 1, root of a minus 1 plus minus cancel. Root of a plus 1, root of a plus 1 cancel. Now root of a plus 1, root of a plus 1 यानी 2 times root of a plus 1 left, and the denominator 2 times root of a minus 1 left is x plus 1 and x minus 1. 2 to cancel. Now square root, if we bring on the other side, it becomes square. So root બીજી side જાય તો એનો square થાય. So a plus 1, a minus 1, x plus 1 the whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 and x square minus 2x plus 1. That is the formula of x plus 1 the whole square. Now again the numerator and denominator exactly same, just change in sign. So componendo dividendo again is a plus 1 is numerator plus denominator minus denominator plus denominator यानी a minus 1 minus a plus 1. Change sign, just हमारे sign exactly same one. Numerator is a numerator x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus denominator minus denominator plus denominator यानी exactly x square minus plus तो एम लखी नाखवानुं होय plus x square minus 2x plus x square minus 2x plus 1. Now change sign, minus x square plus 2x minus 1, plus છે તો minus, minus છે તો plus છે તો minus. Now a and a cancel, 1 and 1 cancel, a and a cancel, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, x square plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That is 2a upon 2 equal to x square plus 1 x square plus 1 यानी 2 times x square plus 1. Now 2x and 2x यानी 2 times 2x. આપણે 4x नहीं લખ્યું because મને ખબર છે કે 2 કટ થાય. કટ. Now 2x ઉપર જાય તો 2ax is equal to x square plus 1 all in a one side. X square minus 2ax plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus 2ax plus 1 equal to 0. Hence it is proved. अरे साव नाना छोकरा जेवुं छे आ बहु इजी छे खाली कॉम्पोनेंटो डिविडेंड में लखवानुं होय छे लांबू पण बहु इजी. Example number 9. If x is under root a square plus b square plus root of a square minus b square upon root of a square plus b square minus root of a square minus b square then you have to prove that b square x square minus 2a square x plus b square equal to 0. Okay, અહીંયા x છે તો x ની નીચે 1 મૂકી દઉં ને compulsory. now componendo dividendo x plus 1 minus 1 equal to numerator a square plus b square plus a square minus b square. This is numerator. Again numerator a square plus b square, a square minus b square, plus denominator minus denominator, plus denominator a square plus b square minus a square minus b square, plus to minus a square plus b square plus a square minus b square. So x plus 1 x minus 1 is minus a square cancel, plus a square plus b square in a root cancel. Now this 2 terms 2 times, yani 2 times under root a square plus b square and 2 times under root a square minus b square. 2 cancel. Now root on the other side it becomes square. Okay, a root on the other side. Now x plus 1 the whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1 is a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Still numerator and denominator terms are same, let's just change in sign. So componendo dividendo numerator x square plus 2x plus 1, x square plus 2x plus 1. It is numerator plus denominator. અહીંયા भी લખવાનું यार componendo dividendo in full words. Plus componendo plus numerator plus denominator यानी x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x square change sign minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to a square plus b square. Numerator x a square plus b square is the numerator plus denominator minus denominator plus denominator is a square minus b square minus a square plus b square plus 2x cancel plus x square minus x square plus 1 minus 1 cancel, a square b square cancel and a square cancel, x square plus 1 x square plus 1 यानी 2 times x square plus 1, 2x and 2x यानी 2 times 2x, a square and a square that is 2 times a square and 2 times b square, that is 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. Now cross multiplication x square b square यानी b square x square plus b square equal to 2a square x. Now all in one side b square x square minus 2a square x plus b square equal to 0. As it is proved. Okay. Solve for x and you have to find the value of x when root of a plus x plus root of a minus x root of a plus x minus root of a minus x equal to b यानी b upon 1 हमारे लखवाना componendo dividendo root of a plus x plus root of a minus x, root of a plus x, root of a minus x, plus and minus, plus denominator is root of a plus x minus root of a minus x minus root of a plus x plus to the minus minus to the plus root of a minus x is b numerator plus denominator minus denominator. Root of a minus x cancel. Root of a plus x cancel. यानी root of a plus x यानी 2 टाइम root of a plus x and 2 टाइम root of a minus x is b plus 1 and b minus 1. 2 cancel. Now all in one, root other side it becomes square. So a plus x and a minus x is b plus 1 and b minus 1 the whole square. So a plus x and a minus x is b square plus 2b plus 1 b square minus 2b plus 1. Right? Again componendo declinando. A plus x is the numerator plus denominator minus denominator a minus x minus a plus x. Numerator b square plus 2b plus 1 b square plus 2b plus 1. This is numerator plus denominator minus denominator plus denominator and b square minus 2b plus 1. This is componendo and dividendo. Here also componendo and dividendo. Plus denominator b square minus 2b plus 1 minus b square plus 2b minus 1. X and a cancel. 2b cancel. b square plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That is 2a upon 2x equal to b square plus 1 b square plus 1 यानी 2 टाइम b square plus 1. 2b and 2b that is 2 टाइम 2b. 2 cancel. Now my target is to find value of x. Now value of x, only x is existing in the denominator. So now invertendo. Invertendo is x upon a equal to 2b upon b square plus 1. Invertendo. So x is equal to a ખાલી ઉપર હવે એને અલ્ટરનેટિવ ના કહેવાય a ઉપર અને 2b નીચે તો એને અલ્ટરનેટિવ કહેવાય. So x is 2ab upon b square plus 1. That is the value of x. Okay.